Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tuan Asha Nabila binti Tuan Azhar and my friend.
Nur Sazwani binti Muhammad Khairi Azhar.
For question 1, identify one the new development project for road transport in Malaysia. So we decide to choose Damansara Shah Alam Elevated Expressway or DASH. For introduction, I will pass the slide to Nur Shazwani.
Okay, thank you Tuan Aisha. So now I will present the introduction for DASH, or the full name is Damansara Shah Alam Elevated Expressway. So, Damansara Shah Alam Elevated Expressway or DASH was approved under 10th Malaysian Plan. Second, Greater Kuala Lumpur is one of the main achieves for the country economy for the economic transformation program. Next, DASH will provide a smoother driving experience with better connectivity, greater mobility and increased road capacity. DASH is built to meet the needs, and it's not only serve as an alternative road to connect existing roadways. Next, I will pass to Tuan Aisyah for the objective.
There are two objectives in DASH project. The first objective is DASH will offer a faster, safer and smoother driving experience. The second objective is DASH will also act as an economic catalyst in driving future growth with increased road capacity. Next, Nur Shazwani will explain about the travel time.
Okay, for the travel time from start to end point will be reduced from 90 minutes to just 70 minutes. Second, traffic congestion will be drastically reduced along Persiaran Mokhtar Dahari by 39%, Jalan Sungai Buloh by 33% and Persiaran Surian by 43%. As it is now in Puncak Perdana, traffic congestion is now in Persiaran Mokhtar Dahari as it serves as the main access to the surrounding development. Next, Tuan Aisyah will present the basic facilities.
Okay, DASH also provide basic facilities to road user. DASH is equipped with upscale facilities to users such as rest and service area and multi-lane free low. Modern traffic monitoring center and administrator building that have earned Green Building Index certification will help create a conducive workplace for our staff. And lastly, the cost. The cost of this project is allocated at RM 4.2 billion. That's all for us. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Khairuddin bin Kamsani and I will explain about the new development for railway development in Malaysia. Damansara Shah Alam Elevated Railway, as known as DAS, are using this system which known as the new development in their project, which are using the Building Information System (BIM) and using the Geographic Information System (GIS). By using the BIM, it will design and structuring the model data of the DASH highway. It also, the DASH structure design will be more accurate and systematic. And by using the GIS, the analysis and identifies the clearance for building and the highway. It also will reduce the cost of using workers in collecting data of the highway. And by using this system, the DASH project will be running smoothly, and it show that this is the new development that must be used in our country nowadays. Next, as you can see here, this is the picture of the DASH project, which is using the BIM and also the GIS. As you can see here, the Damansara Perdana, Puncak Perdana, Sungai Penchala and Denai Alam. This show that by using the new development, it will produce a better and excellent design and the result of the project. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to all. So before I start my presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Nur Elia Khalida binti Zahari. So today I will be presenting about the characteristic for Damansara Shah Alam Elevated Expressway, or we call it as a dash. So the purpose Damansara Shah Alam Elevated Expressway dash is planned to provide an east-west corridor link between the area of Shah Alam, Batu Arang, Khafri Highway and Damansara Kuala Lumpur. This highway is envisioned to facilitate a vital east-west corridor link between the regions of Shah Alam, Khafri, Sungai Buloh and Damansara. So in the aspect of characteristic, I will be explaining about the length of the road first. So the beginning will be at the Puncak Perdana U-turn Shah Alam intersection. Like here, I already provide the photo of the map. So here is the Puncak Perdana interchange, the beginning of the road, and the expressway will end at the Penchala interchange, linking it to the Damansara, Puchong and Spring Expressway. So from here, Puncak Perdana interchange, and this is the end of the road, Penchala interchange. This road also will act as a link for Puncak Perdana, Alam Suria, Kampung Melayu Subang, Jalan Sungai Buloh, RRIM, Kota Damansara Perdana, and Mutiara Damansara. Dash will complete the Kelang Valley Highway, namely the Penchala Link, Duta Ulu Kelang Highway, Sungai Besi Ulu Kelang Elevated Highway, Shah Alam Highway, Kemuning Shah Alam Highway, Federal Highway and the Khafri Corridor Expressway. This project also intended for providing easy access to Persiaran Mutadahari, Khafri Corridor Highway, Jalan Sungai Buloh, Airport Road, Persiaran Surian, New Kelang Valley Highway, Damansara Puchong Highway, and lastly Penchala Link. So for the characteristic of the road, so dash, it has 20.1 kilometer of the length. The length of the road is 20.1 kilometer in total, and it has 13 interchanges, like I already show in this map. It starts from Puncak Perdana interchange and continue with Alam Suria interchange and Denai Alam interchange, Kampung Melayu Subang, and so on until Penchala interchange, the end of the roads. So in total, it has 13 interchanges. Next, dash through the intersection of the Solarium Nature Trail intersection by connecting to the Khafri Corridor Expressway. In addition, this road also has the speciality of 3-lane dual carriageway expressway, and it's also equipped with upscale facilities to users, such as it has rest and service areas. Moving on to the next point. This road also has modern traffic monitoring center and administrator building that have earned Green Building Index certification. Last but not least, this road has 3 toll plaza, which is start from Denai Alam, continue with RRIM, and end with Mutiara Damansara Toll Plaza. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adam bin Muhammad Anwar. I'll be continuing explaining about the technology implementation. For the next technology implement is Geographical Information System, or GIS. The road and highway project in Malaysia that utilize Building Information Modeling System, BIM, has always been integrated with a Geographical Information System, GIS. This has been combined to produce the Highway Information Modeling for the entire Phase 1, perhaps the first time this approach has been used or anywhere around the world for such a length of project. A Geographic Information System, GIS, is a computer system for capturing, storing, checking and displaying data related to position on Earth's surface. By relating seemingly unrelated data, GIS can help individual and organization better understand spatial patterns and relationship for the project and design. GIS technology is a crucial part of spatial data infrastructure, which the White House defined as the technology, policy, standard, human resource and related activities necessary to acquire, process, distribute, use, maintain and preserve spatial data. GIS can use any information that include location. The location can be expressed in many ways, such as latitude and longitude or even zip code. Next is, my second point is the 13 interchange. 13 interchange in Dash, Damansara Shah Alam Expressway. Damansara Shah Alam Elevated Expressway stand a distance of 20.1 km with 13 interchange offering much needed traffic dispersal alternative in highly congested areas such as Puncak Perdana, Alam Impian, Alam Suria and etc. ProLintas claim that the travelling time from start to end point will be reduced from 90 minutes to only 17 minutes and the traffic congestion will be drastically reduced along Persiaran Matahari, Jalan Sungai Buloh, Persiaran Surian. As for now, in Puncak Perdana, the current traffic congestion is at Persiaran Matahari as it serves as the primary access to the surrounding development. The expressway and at the Penchala interchange with dedicated ramp will be built for smoother traffic flow along Jalan PJU Damansara Perdana for the better traffic flow of the community. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Melanie Duhayati. Today I want to explain about technology implementation. Building Information Modeling or BIM is a process for writing and managing information on a construction project across the project life cycle. One of the key outputs of this process is the Building Information Model. Government has taken a bold step in the terms of technology. The partners involved in delivering the project are using some of the latest Building Information Modeling or BIM system. These are being used not only for planning, design, or construction, but will also be used in the future for the operation and maintenance aspect. Construction of toll. Electronic toll collection is awareness system and automatically collect the usage fee or toll charge to vessel using toll routes, HOV lanes, toll bridge, and toll tunnels. It is a faster alternative which is replacing toll booth, where vessel must stop and the driver manually pay the toll with cash or card. In most systems, vessels using the system are equipped with an automatic radio transponder device. When the vessel passes a roadside toll reader device, a radio signal from the reader triggers the transponder, which transmits back an ending number which registers the vessel use of the routes, and an electronic payment system charges the user the toll. Construction works in Malaysia implemented mainly by the federal government and state government. However, since the mid-2018, construction of toll roads has been started by private companies who were then authorized by government to charge toll to road users. This road is an alternative to existing road network and built with various facilities provided to users. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. My name is Aiman Farhan bin Ahmad and I'm one of the Group 2 representative. So I will share to everyone what are the impacts and the good benefits for our nation if this project, which is known as Damansara Shah Alam Elevated Highway, also known as DASH, will give impact throughout our nation. So there are one quotes that I want to share to everyone, which is from Henry Ford, the father of the transportation. He said that fighting alone is alright, but being integrated makes us better. What meant by his quote is actually, if we have one thing, for instance, we have advantage in road transportation, it's good for our nation. But being integrated, having multiple modes of transportation, and we integrate within it, it will make our nation a better nation. So this actually shows us how important for our nation to utilize our various sorts of modes of transportation. It will make our nation a better place. So there are two major impact of road transportation development that I want to share to everyone. What if this project are managed to be done? So first of all, we can improve the door-to-door services. Why this one is very important is because even though our nation have a good road development, it reaches the rural area, and also might we also have we are the nation that have the length of the road that can uh, around our globe twice. Yes, that is that long. Okay, so even though our nation have a good rating of roads, but actually we have some issues, for instance, known in the logistics terminology, which is out of delivery area. How this can be happen is because some of the location, such as the rural area, are unreachable by using one type of mode transportation. For instance, if you are using lorry, you cannot go into the rural area that may have a lower quality of road. Thus, by growing this project, we actually can help to overcome the issues of out of delivery area. And then for the next one, we also can become a feeder, this project as a feeder to another mode of transportation. For instance, this road actually connect the main road from Shah Alam, which is from Shah Alam to Klang, and then to Damansara, which is the commercial area. Thus, if we this project will connect these two location, which is from Klang to Shah Alam and Shah Alam to Damansara. So basically, our economic activities will be moved, and there are many economic activities will generate some financial assist towards our nation. Thus, actually, this project will also help how for us to integrate better for our road transportations. And then last but not least, we can make our nation as a greater land for transportation, because why? We have seen a lot of death due to the bad quality of roads. Thus, within this development, we can make it as a safer all the time. And the most important thing is it will ensure a better flow of logistics and traffic. So that's all from us. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any question, do comment in the comment section, or you can ask us directly. Thank you.